Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif. Our topic for this task is the insurance schemes, issues on insurance schemes from the Islamic perspective in Malaysia. Before we go deeper, let me brief about the insurance. So, what is insurance? Insurance is the policies are used to protect all types of risks or losses experienced by the insured. The protections is based on the contractual agreement, so we can see that the price of each insurance premium will offer different. You can see that the price of insurance premium is different. Each insurance company will offer different insurance plans, taking into the account the income level of the public. The price is of the plan offered is reasonable and still affordable for everyone. Among the insurance companies found in Malaysia are Great Eastern Insurance, AIA, Allianz, and many more. So we know that the insurance is good for protection of themselves, their assets. But however, this insurance scheme has criticism from the Islamic scholars about the methods and the condition used in the contract. It is contrary to the method issued by the Islamic Sharia in managing these insurance schemes. With that, to replace the conventional insurance with an insurance scheme that complies with the Islamic Sharia, the Takaful scheme was introduced. The Takaful scheme is used. The method set in Islam is the main choice for everyone to always prioritize Sharia in their daily life. So in this study, we discussed the comparison between conventional insurance and the takaful, as well as some elements that are prohibited in insurance that become a problem from an Islamic perspective.
I will explain about comparison between takaful and insurance. The first one in terms of enactment. Takaful Act 1984 while Insurance Act 1963. Secondly is in terms of system. Takaful is Islam system that free from riba, gara and maisir, while insurance is capitalist system that have elements of interest, gambling and uncertainty. Lastly is in terms of investment. Takaful is halal stock investment while insurance is any investment in stock. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Razik Adik bin Abdul Rashid. My matric number 060674. So I will continue for the presentation. The first factor that makes conventional insurance illegal is the fact that it deals with interest. The money the insurance company receives in the form of insurance premiums is often put in interest-bearing securities or accounts. Interest has been categorically forbidden and is a very serious offence in the Sharia. Conventional insurance operate and invest entirely on debt and equity with debt-bearing interest. The conventional insurance system is also requiring participation in interest-based transactions in other ways. The fact that conventional insurance plans are actually bilateral commercial transactions in which money is exchanged from both parties in the event of claim and is typically uneven, will constitute manifest interest. Additionally, when a life insurance policy matches, the policy holder is entitled to collect the sum of previous premium payments plus a portion of interest. As a result, interest-based transactions take on several shapes in the conventional insurance system. So, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and peace be upon you. My name is Abdul Afiq bin Abdul Razak. My matric number 060671. I will continue our findings about Sharia compliant issues on insurance scheme from Islamic perspective in Malaysia. There was a gambling or maisir element in the insurance schemes offered by insurance company in Malaysia. Furthermore, we can detect an element of betting. It is clear when the insured person are dealing with uncertain events. Next, we also detect an element of profit. Profit from conventional is harmful from Sharia perspective. In addition, it is clear that there are an element of easy money. we can see this scenario based on premium payment from insured person to the insurance company. Lastly, it is logical that the element of cooperation is not existed. This is because an insured person are not eligible or not the parties to get surplus fund from insurance company. That's all from me. Thank you.
Although the insurance contract is related to RORO on 4 points, there are doubts as to the duration of the contract, the existence of contracts and indemnities, the payment of indemnities, and the amount of compensation or bonus actually paid. This RORO arises from the uncertainty of the contracting parties as to when the insured event will occur and how it will affect the insured at the time of inception of the contract. This problem arises because the outcome of the insurance contract itself is affected by fate and amount. The amount of money transferred by each party is different or is said to be random. Another question that arises in connection with compensation monies exchanged for a premium is whether it is paid to the insured or his share. It is possible that the compensation will not be paid immediately after the conclusion of the insurance contract. Lastly, no contract is formed between the two parties. For a contract involving a financial exchange between two contracting parties, it is necessary to clearly indicate the payment amount for the delivered goods or service. Of course, without them, the RORO element would exist and invalidate the contract.
The conclusion is, we can understand how to differentiate between insurance and takaful, or in other words, conventional insurance and Islamic insurance. But putting aside about the difference between them both, there is no doubt that knowing us and our loved one is financially protected from a variety of unanticipated circumstances would give us more peace of mind. Life's uncertainties, like an awful death or a medical emergency, could occur at any time. Additionally, an accident or damage to our property and more also falls under this category. We must be aware of what each form of insurance covers and how it functions in order to make the best purchasing decision. Consider the benefits as well as the price before making a choice. Spend some time looking around to find the best insurance for our needs. Although people frequently claim that they cannot afford insurance, the truth is that they cannot afford to go without it. When unforeseen circumstances emerge, it may prevent them from incurring tens of thousands of dollars in additional costs. The correct insurance coverage can shield us and our family from unforeseen tragedies, but we don't want to squander our money on products that do damage our needs.